Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hoppwood, South Birmingham, Loire Blue. Lovely spec this, lovely condition. So, Land Rover Discovery 4 3-litre SD V6. It's a HSE auto, 4-wheel drive. Cam belt replaced at 89,000 miles. Total mileage 105,000 miles. Service history 11 services. Serviced at 14, 21, 26, 36, 46, 57, 66, 85, then 89 cam belts, then serviced at 93 and 105,000 miles. Now got things like a heated steering wheel and digital television as well as your normal HSE options. So daytime LED running lights in the headlamps, front park sensors, front fog lamps, headlamp washers, running boards, privacy glass, Michelin Cross Climate tyres that match all round. Got the tow bar, obviously 7 seats, Loire Blue black leather, mud flaps front and rear, beautiful condition, nice alloy wheels, not corroded, not curved, not stone chips or anything, very nice example. Panoramic sunroofs, obviously because it's a HSE. Meridian Hi-Fi, fitted Land Rover rubber mats, heated seats, twin sunroofs with sunshades, front one tilts and slides, leather multifunction steering wheel, heated, piano black dash pack, electric steering column, paddle change, memories for the driver's seat, satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth, electric handbrake, front armrests. Remember, digital TV as well as DAB radio. I've put some photos of the television on. Rear mats. Rear heated seats, the buttons are down there. Twin sunroofs, triple sunroofs with sunshades. Sunroof in the back as well, of course it's a HSE. 7 seats, there's the rear 6th and 7th seat. Lovely, just driven it, drives beautifully. You can see the little rear camera there just above the number plate. There's the rear cam. Nice and clean in the load space. Clean under the seats. 3 sunroofs. Price 14,495. This is a really nice example. HSE. I think the heated steering wheel, mud flaps, running boards, tow bar and digital TV were optional extras. 19-inch alloys. Lovely with the mud flaps on. Keyless entry, keyless start. Folding mirrors, heated mirrors, electric mirrors, memories for the driver's seat, Meridian there on the speakers because it has a Meridian Hi-Fi, heated steering wheel button is there and lit up, 105,700 miles, armrests on the front seats, leather on the driver's seat in very good condition. Remember, it's got reverse cam. Very nice Discovery, that £14,495. Great history, lovely spec, beautiful condition. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk, that's our website. Plenty of cars on there for you to have a look at. This video is hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those, there'll be lots of discovery tools. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you will get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You'd be one of the first people in the country to know we just had that car. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.